As a working kitchen for a large family, it gets dirty pretty quickly. I love these cabinets, except for they're really hard to clean. Dirt and yuck gets in the grooves, and I have to use this thing in order to get it out. But once it's clean, it sure looks nice. Try to keep on top of it every day, but once a month, I give it a very deep clean. And once it's all clean, I feel so much nicer. Oh, can't forget the microwave though. There we go. I had a friend once tell me that she actually enjoyed doing dishes because it reminded her of every blessing. In other words, each person that ate from those dishes was a great blessing to her. So don't be discouraged when those dishes pile up again. It's because of blessings that we have those dirty dishes.